Hello, welcome to all. Today we are going to discuss completing square method in our topic quadratic equation. In quadratic equation, we know how to solve quadratic equations. Quadratic equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is a standard form of quadratic equation, and we can solve this quadratic equation by three methods. First method is a factorization method, second one is a completing square method, and third one is what? Formula method. Here we are going to discuss completing square method, how to solve this equation by completing square method. Here it is, solve ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 by completing square method. Okay, so let us see here. First write here ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is given. Our rule is, first rule is, coefficient of x square must be 1. Coefficient of x square must be 1. But here is which number? A. A is a real number. Okay, other than 0. So here should be 1. So dividing both the sides by a, dividing both the side by a. So try to divide this. Ax square divided by a plus b upon ax plus c upon a equal to 0. So a will get cancelled. X square plus b upon ax plus c upon a equal to 0. Now here coefficient of x square is here 1. Okay, but our method is completing square method. So LHS, left hand side, this left hand side should be a square of a particular bracket. Okay, if you know, if a plus b is a bracket given, and if we make the square of this, what will be terms? A square plus 2ab plus b square. If three terms are there, so we can say this is the expansion of a plus b bracket square. Or if a minus b is here, bracket square, what is the square? A square minus of 2ab plus b square. This is the expansion of this a minus b. The first term, second term, and the third term is here. Look here. First term is a square. So instead of a square, here is a. Last term is b square. Okay, instead of is b, and middle term is just product of ab multiplied by 2. Same way, here left hand side is not a complete square. Okay, so try to find the third term. How to find third term? For that, condition is here. This is x square term, here x term, constant term is here c upon a. Shift this term to right side. So x square by x square plus b upon ax equal to minus c by a. This give a number 1. Give this equation as a number 1. Okay. All the examples we can solve with the help of same method. So coefficient of x square must be 1. After that what? Shift the constant term to the right side. Now see the left hand side. Left hand side contains only two terms, but we need our third term. If we find third term here, that third term, middle term, and first term will give us a square of a bracket. How to find third term? Third term we can find by using this formula. Third term formula is equal to 1 upon 2 coefficient of x bracket square. So 1 upon 2. What is the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is b upon a. b upon a. Make a square of this. So will give us b upon 2a bracket square. So b square by 4a square. This is our third term. So try to add this third term to the left side as well as right side. Adding b square upon 4a square to both the sides of equation number first. Equation here LHS is given x square plus here b upon ax plus b square by 4a square. This is equal to, same way, b square upon 4a square minus c by a. So we have to add the b square by 4a, and this number is totally added to both the sides. Now by adding this, just observe the left side. If you observe the left side is the square of a bracket and the square of this bracket. In bracket there are two terms. How to write two terms? First term is x square. Instead of x square, write here x. Give the sign middle. This middle term having plus sign, so give here plus sign, and here b square, here 4a square, write b, here 2, here a, just square root of whole this term right here. Now this is a complete square. If we make square of this, complete square will be all the terms, hence the method name is given complete square method. So we have to find what is the exact answer of this left side, so right side. So what is here? B square upon 4a square minus c by a. Denominators here not same, so try to make equal. Here is a 4, here not 4, so give 4 here as well as here. So again also not equal. A square is here, here we want a again, so give 1a is here also. So what will give? We get b square upon what? 4a square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Now denominator is same, so write once. So b square minus 4ac. I am writing directly here. Addition. This is the result of this gives us 4a square as it is. Here b square minus of 4ac. Now this is now for pet square. Try to find square root of this. Taking square roots to both the sides. So x plus b upon 2a, this is equal to plus minus, use plus minus. We cannot find square root of here numerator because numerator contain two different terms joined with a negative sign. So keep in bracket b square minus 4ac upon what? Twice of a. Okay, we have to find values of what? X, because our question is here find what? Our question is here solve this equation. Means what? Solve this equation means this equation is in variable x, so we have to find value of x here. So we can find value of x by shifting this term to right side. So we'll get here x equal to minus b upon 2a plus minus as it is under root b square minus 4ac divided by twice of a. So x equal to denominators are one and same, so write once, so write minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. This is a final answer of this question, but here degree of x is 2, so it must contain two different values. Yes, here are two values for plus and for minus. We can separate this is as x equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon twice a. This is one value, and other value is here x equal to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. These are the roots of of quadratic equation. These are the roots of the quadratic equation. This example is the formula of standard form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. In your textbook, the values of a, b and c may be different, means real number. If the numbers are there, then we can solve same example if the numbers are different by as usual method, and final answer of the quadratic equation is given, and final answer is given by using these two different formulas, x and x here positive, two terms with positive, here again x, two terms with negative. Okay, this is our final. Now any example if it is given, we can solve with the help of completing square methods.